Alright, so welcome to the next video. The other one didn't even upload yet, and sorry about that. So what we can see here, well, I just cloned my device to create a free and open network for everyone, and yeah, the double E's are probably also interesting, but we just go for the 24, and I don't want it to fail right away, so yeah, let that just give it a go. Yeah, well, it's too nuked already. But I can show you what's another attack. Yeah, and the NSA really gets their DDoS protection right to a certain degree. They can't do anything against this, so the IP is responding. Oh, I just learned a few minutes ago that I can drag Windows to the center of the screen, so I'll do that here as well. And now focus, don't let me down. I mean, why would there be like 500 clients connected to OIS? Still responding with 2,500 clients connected? Yeah, since this attack just bumps up my CPU load for no reason, I can really make use of that in a better way in a second. So just maybe a little bit. I mean, these are the bugs which are like downright annoying. But this is just like a system overload, nobody to blame here. There we go. And it's on channel 1 again. Question is, would it find a beacon frame? If there's still a beacon frame, no, it won't. Or did we detect a channel switch? Well, you can go easy on this one. There you go. Oh, a little spoiler, if you really keep staring at it window, you will figure that it won't stop after like 250,000 clients connected. So yeah, all these botnet channels stay online on channel -1 even if you switch off the device. So there's no product you can buy with anti-DDoS or anything. You can just connect to a server which hopefully is able to defend against it with AI, but another spoiler, like 99% of all devices aren't. So here we go again, and as you can see here, like all the action is going on channel 1, and Telecom Phone can eat my shorts, since this is like the entry node into this fucked up botnet. Here are the music loops. So Telecom Phone is just like a giant joke, you know? Like nobody uses it. You have to log into it. You have to pay for it. If you're a Telecom customer already, you don't have to pay for it, but why would you use it then? If you're a router, why would you use like Telecom Phone? You see what I mean? Yeah, well, I can, of course I can log into the fucked up Wi-Fi of some random guy, but therefore I don't have to pay for it, and therefore I don't need a fucked up telecom contract. I just log in, you know. I don't log in, I just tap on it and I'm in. It's so fucked up. Like, it has zero security. You can clone it to like thousands of access points just with a beacon flood. There are like millions, probably billions devices connected to it. Wrong password. Okay, I reached my limit again. Yeah, and I'm probably having caps locks on, so this video is going to end here. No, I don't. Come on. Well, one more thing. So you can see here how it works, but I